Okay class, today we are doing home economics. This is gonna suck. Flip to page 287. Dang, that's gonna take me a long time to... This has nothing to do with the video, but this feeling. This amazing feeling. Flipping to the correct page. Well, I mean, home economics is kind of the same thing as cooking and all that jazz. Anyways, onwards to the video.
So, why is there a stove in the back seat?
I gotta make burgers for the dinner party.
Whoopsies. Smoke! It's in my eyes!
I don't know about you guys, but cooking's alright to me. I bet there has been times where you say, cooking's hard, there's too many steps. Which, you're right, but look on the bright side. If you don't goof it up, people will compliment your meal, and not say it's like if they put soap in their mouth and swallowed it. Cooking might seem daunting at first, but when you get the hang of it, it's actually not that bad. Luckily for me, the best thing I can make is some delicious pizza bagels. If you want some, come to... in. When I'm measuring the number of things I need in something, I don't get it. If it says 1/3 of vanilla extract and I put 2/3, what is it gonna do? Hardly anything. One thing that kinda confuses me is when people show off their food. Doesn't it look awkward when you're just in a restaurant and then you see a guy taking pictures of their food? I'm not gonna lie, the food looks pretty good when you see it in a picture. What if you go camping, but you get stranded with no resources? I know, very realistic. And a bear comes along. You're in need of food. Ah! And so, I still don't know much about cooking, which is the moral of the story, even though I didn't tell a single story. And, don't get eaten by bears, kids. I know it's been like 4 months, but I took a break in February. Don't worry, I'll post more often. Thanks for 700 subscribers and probably 800 very soon, which is mind-blowing to me. And just so you know, I like my bagel toasted with butter,